Doosan Infeacore is the main subsidiary of Doosan Group and is the leading machine and infrastructure support business company in Korea. We build construction equipment, machine tools, engines, attachments, and utility equipment.
We have 14 operations and 5 R&D organizations all over the world, including Korea, USA, Czech Republic, China, and Norway. Doosan Infeacore's R&D goal is to design anywhere, build anywhere.
We chose Dassault Systems because after reviewing solutions functionality, performance, and support strategy of the 3 global PLM vendors over 12 months period, we found that Dassault Systems' 3D Experience platform and its industry solution experience was the best fit.
3D Experience platform will provide a single source of truth that is necessary to support seamless communication within these R&D centers and 14 operations around the world. I am currently very much concentrated on the one-stop shopping of all the information. I believe 3D Experience can support my one-stop shopping strategy. For example, all the market information and sales order can be transformed to the engineering data, and those can be worked from styling design, engineering design, bill of material management, and up to aftermarket management within 3D Experience domain. The biggest benefit of this 3D Experience is the alignment with solution to our industry. We have the goal to become global top 3 in the machinery industry by year 2020. To achieve this goal, a global collaboration has been an important project that enables us innovation management, cost control, and quality improvement. I believe 3D Experience platform has been helping toward this goal.